Hi everyone, welcome back. It's about 2 in the afternoon and we're down at the park. The other day we got a lot of snow. We have about 15 centimeters. Today it started out at -7. It's now approximately -2, so it's not really that cold, not for Canada, considering we get -20, -30 degrees. The wind today is blowing about 7 or 8 kilometers an hour, so it should be a good day to fly. So let's put up the Mini 2 and take a look around.
Did you miss me when I broke free? When I grabbed a bus to anywhere just to be elsewhere. I long to belong. Hitched a ride into the sunset, felt like Juliet, on my way to meet my lover, a dream I
Okay guys, I think I've had enough of the cold weather and the snow out here. So anyways, we just done a little flight here. She's a little bit breezy, but you know what? This is like the perfect day. If you really want to fly in cold weather, you got to come to Canada. We get like minus 20. Today is like a beautiful day. -2 is beautiful in Canada. And the wind speed of 7 kilometers an hour is like perfect. The Mini 2 flies perfect in this kind of weather. Anyways, we'll catch you later.